everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles, and I'm also Audrey and Kate's mom if you guys know me from there. And I wanted to share with you guys today my reaction or thoughts about the new announcement that Nintendo just made today in regards to what is going to happen in Animal Crossing New Horizons for Halloween. Yay! So they had the video that I'm going to just sort of highlight some parts of here, and I'll have a link for that in the description below if you guys want to check that out and watch it. I highly recommend that you guys watch the video because you'll get a full view of everything without me yammering over it, and you'll also get to see everything that's going to be going on. So let me just start things up here, and we'll start in with it and see the most important bit of news, of course, is that this update is going to be put into effect on the 30th of September, so that's super cool. Kind of figured that was when it was going to be, just because you have to get ready and start doing things starting October 1st. So everyone kind of expected that this was going to be happening, but you never know exactly what's going to be implemented. Animal Crossing is a game that's been around for a really long time, and so there's been many versions of Halloween in the game, but everybody was really excited to see what this version would be like, and it was so exciting. So I have to go ahead and show you guys here what we saw. So the very first thing you get to see is this amazing scene where this cute little character is walking along through a kind of garden area, and then she turns around and screams. How cool is that? Okay, to have a kind of reaction that is specific to the season. I think that's just so cool. In Animal Crossing, there's lots of reactions that you learn through other characters. Simple things like being happy or being sad or sleepy or bashful and things like that. But this is clearly one that's like meant to be scary, and it's just so cute. And then you can tell right away too, there's something going on here. She has like makeup on or something, so that's really exciting. Why is she so pale? Yeah, that was really exciting for sure. And you can already see some of the cool decorations and stuff, kind of like they had a lot of really neat new decorations that were part of the Easter event. You can see some of these with this archway that's right here, and this cute little pumpkin over here too, and the special kind of little fencing that it looks like they have as well. So that's going to be really cool. The gravestone in the back, that's something you can already make now, but there's some things, they mix what you can make already along with what you will be able to make in the event. So oh my god, so cute, right? So she's there screaming at you, which is so adorable. So we're talking obviously about Halloween on the 31st of October. And from there, we go on and learn that when you go into the store starting from October, you will be able to buy candy. You need to have candy to give to people. That's part of the whole way that the system kind of works for this. And then there's also this weird little plant thing that I've never seen over here. What is that? That is interesting. And I actually kind of know already because I looked into the video, but that's, I think, a starter plant for pumpkins. So we have candy and pumpkins as the usual thing. The candy's not new. That's been here before. But pumpkins, you can grow something different other than flowers. I've wanted that for so long. So this is really exciting. So from there, we know that we can buy the candies. And yep, here's the pumpkins growing. Look at this beautiful pumpkin field. Oh my goodness, so cool. So it's part of the DIY. If you grow these and gather them, then that's going to be what you use to make things that are in this kind of theme, probably for the Halloween series. So I'm going to clear out a whole big giant space and start growing tons of pumpkins so that I can get ready for everything, to try to get as many items as I can. I always try to get everything if I can. So this is really exciting to see all of this. Just so adorable with her, and you could pick it, and oh my goodness. And then, yep, you make something there, and then she can lay it here, and it turns into this cute little like jack-o'-lantern post. So I'm sure there'll be a large number of goods that you can create. There's even a pumpkin sitting over here. What the heck? You can just have a pumpkin sitting there? That's cool. Yeah, that's very cool. And, the little jack-o'-lantern, stacked jack-o'-lantern there, and she's going to show us a little bit here too, of another set here that she's going to put out here. Yeah, this looks more like a sort of like a what do you call that? A scarecrow, but with a jack-o'-lantern head. So that looks very cool. All sorts of neat things you can just see throughout everywhere here that will be exciting. So, and then, I kind of sped along fast, but here we are where she's changing her clothes. And as you guys saw here, I'm going to go back here. You can see all of these cute variations of the costume here. And I have tons of other things that are kind of costume related already, but so you can really have a lot of fun. And they show a couple characters later that are dressed already too, but that's going to be fun. The little devil horns are a new thing too. And then later on, when you're in your house, you can also choose to change the skin tone of your face, and you can change your eye color to look super cool like that too. Oh my goodness, so fun. And then here she is going to the celebration for Halloween, which is specifically just on Halloween. So you have to go there. So first of all, oh my goodness, is this down here? That is so cute. I love that with that little cupcake and this little ghost guy. What is he? That is so cute. I think that's a drink, isn't it? No, it's a candy apple. That's not a straw. That's a stick. That is so cute. And then, there's this special fencing here where the background is a pumpkin design. That is so cool. And look at everybody here. They all have their little horns and stuff, and some of them even are dressed in other kinds of clothes. So very cute. And we can kind of see here as everybody kind of comes in, we can talk to good old Pumpkin King. He's here again. He's been here before, but you talk to him and, he'll ask you to do kinds of different challenges and stuff. And we can see people. Oh wait, I kind of went too fast here, but you can kind of see everybody here. Let me zoom out. You can see everyone scaring each other. There's looks like maybe there's two variations of this scary thing. There's the one where you can do this kind of thing where you get this sort of aura sort of around you. And then these guys are scared. Like, oh, you guys are so scary. Stop being so scary. How cute is that? I love it. It's so adorable. So there's that. And then if you give some of your characters as a gift, you can give them some candy. So that's kind of cool. I think it's going to be just so much fun. And they have then another little note here about if you happen to use your cell phone in conjunction with Nintendo Switch Online, you can have access to doing a quick access to the reactions page, but we don't have that, so I just skipped by really fast. But yeah, there they are. See, and look at these guys. Look at how cute they are. So this is the other reaction here, and then look, this is another human character, and he's got like those raggedy jeans on. I have those already, and I don't have the ripped top so much like that though, and his cute little his witch hat there, and then it looks like here that maybe what is she dressed up like some kind of? That's weird. Is that like a cat or something? But it's like speckled. I don't know what that is, but it's adorable. And then it looks like maybe she has like bat wings on her back. So that's super cute. And then there's somebody over here who actually has that, you can get the Pumpkin King's head to wear on top of your own head. They've had that as an item before too. But he's over there hiding back in the background with all these bats everywhere. So cute. And then I just love this. I'm curious, Audrey and I are talking like, are they going to make every night spooky, or is that just on Halloween? Because it's like so spooky outside with the cool clouds and the moon full. So it'll be interesting to see what they do for that. Because I don't think the full moon like just naturally falls on Halloween always. So that'll be interesting. But so many cute things to look forward to. And I'm rambling, I know, but I'm just really excited. So it's going to be really cool, and everybody's screaming and stuff. It's just so cute. And that's the end. So I am super excited about this. It's going to be really cool. There's just so many neat things to look forward to. And, just all of it just seems so much fun. And I can't wait until the day for me to get my Switch all updated so that I can then begin the fun of enjoying this new update. We've all been, I think these kinds of events are always key parts of the game for sure. So I'm going to clear up some space in my island so that I can have sort of a place to put all of these goods and create a cool feel for everything, and my giant place for planting pumpkins, because I need to harvest as many pumpkins as I can. So, but yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below, and I will have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.